Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term essay. Introduction. The essay is a versatile and engaging literary form that has evolved over centuries to become a prominent medium of expression for writers from various cultures and time periods. As a short composition in prose, the essay serves a multitude of purposes, ranging from discussing important matters and expressing viewpoints to persuading readers and providing entertainment. Its distinctive characteristics, including informality, accessibility, and use of anecdotes and humor, contribute to its enduring appeal. Origins of essay. The origins of the essay can be traced back to ancient Greek and Roman writers like Theophrastus, Plutarch, Cicero, and Seneca, who explored various topics in a tentative and unsystematic manner. However, it was Michel de Montaigne's essays in the 16th century that gave the genre its name and popularized the idea of writing personal reflections on diverse subjects. Montaigne's approach to addressing everyday topics with intimacy and openness set the tone for the informal and personal essay. English literary tradition. In English literary tradition, Francis Bacon played a significant role in shaping the essay as a formal literary form. His essays presented short discussions on various subjects, exploring aspects of truth, adversity, and marriage, among others. Additionally, Alexander Pope contributed to the essay tradition through verse essays like Essay on Criticism and Essay on Man. However, it was the rise of literary periodicals like Tatler and Spectator in the early 18th century that established the prose essay as its standard modern vehicle, providing a platform for writers to share their thoughts with a wider audience. New generation. During the 19th century, the proliferation of magazines further fueled the popularity of essays, and a new generation of essayists emerged. Writers like William Hazlitt, Thomas De Quincey, Charles Lamb, and Robert Louis Stevenson elevated the English essay, especially the personal essay, to unprecedented heights. In America, essayists like Washington Irving, Ralph Waldo Emerson, and Mark Twain contributed significantly to the genre. In the contemporary era, the essay continues to thrive with numerous periodicals publishing essays regularly. The formal essay still serves as a valuable medium for authoritative and orderly discussions on various topics. Meanwhile, notable 20th century practitioners such as Virginia Woolf, George Orwell, E.M. Forster, and Susan Sontag have excelled in the informal essay, providing intimate reflections and captivating readers with their self-revelatory and whimsical writing styles. Conclusion. In conclusion, the essay has evolved over time to become a multifaceted literary form that offers writers a wide range of possibilities for expressing their thoughts and engaging with readers. From its tentative and informal origins in ancient times to the personal and reflective essays of the present day, this versatile form of writing continues to hold immense significance in literature and provides a platform for writers to connect with a diverse audience. So this was the discussion on the topic essay. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other topic, and until then, goodbye and thank you.